Yo, what's up, Mustang gang? YouTube fam, we back. And I'm back with the new S once again because the S197 still in the yard on the jack stands and looking pretty fucked up. I'm finna show y'all what I done with this vehicle. I made like an 8-hour trip and it turned out pretty well, and it didn't turn out as good as I thought it was gonna go. Then I got the work truck. It got LS swap. So I'm gonna show y'all that, let y'all see what's going on with that in the next video, and hopefully everything turned out right. I'm about to put the work truck on the channel and we about to do some mods with it. So let's look at the car and go over everything. So first and foremost, as you can see, it don't have the Terminator hood anymore with the vents. I got a Cowl hood. I really don't even know what brand it is. I'll pop the hood and we can look at that, and hopefully it's a brand on there. I traveled like 2 hours for a trade. I think it's a 3-inch Cowl. Pretty decent, vented in the back. Nice hood. The black goes with the gray pretty good. What I'm finna do, I'm finna pop the hood and we finna see what brand it is. Hopefully there's a name on it. So now that I got the hood up, as you can see, it don't use the stock hood prop. The hood latch is a little different, so I guess that helps it from flying up. It ain't no name on it. So if anybody recognize this hood, please help me out. Let me know what possible brand is. I know it ain't Savini, so we're gonna move on from that. It look good though. Now we moving to the back. I got this shade bumper, 0304 Cobra. I traveled all the way to Cornsville, North Carolina. As you can see, the fitment ain't perfect at all. It's held in by self-tapping screws. It's rough, man. This side is rounded off instead of pointed off, angled off. This got to be filled out. Overall, man, for the price I got it, it's a fiberglass bumper, and for the price I got it, it's an okay bumper. Just needs some work. I'm gonna get everything done once I get it off and get some new studs in it. So that'll be another video I'll be going over. As you can see, it's two different colors. It's Nato gray and my car is Destroyer gray from Dodge. Had a good little trip for it. I wish the guy would have told me that it wasn't perfect fitment though. So that kind of sucked. But just a little short video to show y'all what I've done in the past week. Got the rear bumper in the hood. I'm gonna give y'all a good walk around. Not much of a video, just something quick to show y'all what I've done in the past week. I wish I would have did a video on going to pick the bumper up and doing the install, but man, that shit was such a headache. After I got there and the bumper didn't fit well, I was really aggravated and really didn't want to record anything, and had to figure everything out so I could get back on the road and make a 4-hour trip. Then with the hood, everything was straightforward with it, just how it's supposed to be. That was really straightforward. I went there, we swapped hoods, we talked a little bit, and that was it, man. And for this video, I'm out. I'll catch y'all next time once I do some more mods.